Hey guys, my name's Caleb. I was driving down the road, I got a flat tire. I'm embarrassed to admit I don't even know how to change a flat tire. I don't even know where the spare tire is. So I brought my 2014 Ford Fusion into Loganville Ford. So I'm gonna bring in an expert, AJ, to show us how to change a tire today.
Hi, I'm AJ at Loganville Ford. This is how you put on a spare tire. Step 1, you remove your spare tire from your trunk. Step 2 is to break your lug nuts free. But if they are stripped and or swollen, I would advise that you call a tow company and get your car towed to the nearest dealership. Step 3, you look in your owner's manual and you find the lift point for your vehicle because every vehicle is different. Always jack your vehicle up on a solid surface, never in the dirt, never on the rocks. And most vehicles have a body kit on them, so you have to find a pinch weld. It's just a solid piece of metal underneath that you can jack the vehicle up on. Once you find that, you can begin to jack the vehicle up. Step 4, begin removing the lug nuts. Step 5, after you have the vehicle up in the air and the lug nuts removed, you can then take off your flat tire and put on your spare tire. Now it's ready for installation. You line it up, slide it on. Always use one hand to hold. You start a lug nut, and you run it in. Get it nice and tight by hand. Now you can install the rest. Step 6, hand tighten all the lug nuts, and just give it a little bit of extra with your spare tire tube. Now obviously these won't tighten all the way because there's no load on the vehicle, so we're gonna have to let the jack down, and then we'll finish tightening up the lug nuts. Step 7, you slowly let the vehicle down, and remember not to have any parts of the body underneath of the vehicle. Step 8, once you have the vehicle down on the ground with the full weight on it, you can begin tightening your lug nuts in a star pattern. You always tighten in a star pattern first, and then you go all the way around in a circle just to double check yourself. Once you have your spare tire put on, and you check to make sure all the lug nuts are tight, you drive to the nearest dealership and have someone fix your flat.
Thanks to AJ for showing me how to change a spare tire at Loganville Ford. I had a great experience here as always. Stay tuned on this channel for more car tutorials, and stop by Loganville Ford Service Lane anytime you have any car needs.